we all use WhatsApp, and sometimes it might be a concerning thing to you, like you may not feel safe. But today we will kind of help you how you can really do the privacy checkup to understand whether you are safe or not in WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is mostly safe, so you don't need to feel any kind of unsafety or threatening thing. But it's still, you have to kind of understand what options you need to enable and what needs to be disabled. And this kind of thing will help you to build a better profile. And whenever people are having access to your phone number, so if they just save it and they can pull up your information using your WhatsApp in WhatsApp. So if you're registered currently with the WhatsApp. So today I will kind of help you how to do the security checkup. So the very first thing you need to do is, of course, open your WhatsApp. That's very easy. And then once you are at the privacy setting, like settings, you have to find privacy. And once you're there, you will see in the top, right? I'm seeing over here, it says start checkup. And over here, you basically have all essentials that you can do the privacy checkup. Starting with choose who can contact you. So people in group or silent, unknown callers, blocked contacts. So you have a privilege and you are in control of these type of contacts. In groups, I said my contacts except no one. That means no one can contact me if they are like, if they like, this is a question like who can add me to the group. So no one can add me to the group except no one. So that means I am safe when it comes to lots of groups. This is a serious matter. Silent unknown callers, like if you live in North America or Europe or Australia or any country that is considered first world countries, so you will get a lot of kind of weird calls and lots of like fraud calls. But in WhatsApp, you're safer in here because you have this one. But in WhatsApp also, people won't call you, the people that are very good at spam and kind of trying to hack the system. But in WhatsApp, if you don't know someone, if someone is not in your contact, you can silence them. And they're called unknown callers. Block contacts, you can block contact over here. Like you can see I blocked once a guy over there. He was sending, or I don't know if it's he or she, he was trying to send some meaningless job offers. Come on, I'm gonna hire you. And I said, go. And then I don't want to say the bad word. So control your personal info. This is another type of safety. You're in control of choosing your profile. It says everyone, so I'm not scared of my profile photo. Because if they type on Google, they will have a dozen of my profile photo, which I don't care. But you can say nobody, so no one would see that. Last seen online, I said everyone, but I didn't say like last seen same as last seen, so you can do that as well. This is where you're in control and you're in charge of who can see you online. Read receipts. So if you want to read people's message and you don't want to like let them know like if you read it or not, this is a good option, which I don't care about that, and I'm happy to let people know that I read their message. Add more privacy. You can add a default messenger timer. So some people do that and they feel like big guys. If you feel big guys, this is your option. And show preview, this is good. And if someone is sending you a link, so this will show the link preview, and that's as good. Mostly links won't work and people cannot do anything. So this is the backup. I usually use the backup, the end-to-end encryption backup. who knows, I may buy a new phone, or my phone may got stolen, and or maybe I just kind of destroy my phone, or just put it away, or give it away, something like that. Of course, those won't happen. And add more protection to your account. You can do the security lock and two-steps verification. Now, two-steps verification is very important and vital if you are in a space that phones can be accessed by everyone, and if you're living in a busy environment or a busy family, this could be handy, particularly security lock. That's the privacy checkup for WhatsApp. A lot of people don't know, and they are misusing options. Like if they, with the regular friends, you don't need to turn on the timer or deletion timer. Who cares? Okay, like regular people, who cares about that? So you don't need to turn that on. And some people are turning off the read receipts. Well, this is not a good if you're only using WhatsApp for a family or friends matter. Who cares? Okay, you cannot be that serious. That's my opinion. But if you're like a CEO, of course you won't use WhatsApp. And so, but generally, you have to do a privacy checkup. That's very important, even if you don't turn them on. And that's very important. It's a habit of getting used to it, like to keep private, and it's very important to do this in every application.